Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to link fields in Airtable step by step. I'm using the web version, but the process is the same on desktop and mobile. Open your base and navigate to the table where you want to add the linked field. You'll see your table with all its existing fields displayed across the top. Look for the plus button at the far right end of the field headers and click it. This opens up the field type menu. In the field type menu, find and click Link to another record. Once you click it, a table picker appears. Now choose which table you want to link to. You can select another table in your base, or you can even link records within the same table if that's what you need. You'll see some field configuration options. The main one is Allow linking to multiple records. Toggle this off if you only want one record linked per cell. There are also options to limit record selection to a specific view or filter by condition. Give your field a name, then click Create Field. The field appears in your table, and Airtable automatically creates a corresponding linked record field in the other table too, or in the same table if you're self-linking. You might want to navigate to that table later to configure its settings as well. Now, to actually link records, click the plus icon inside any cell in your new linked record field. This opens the record picker. In the record picker, you'll see a searchable list of all available records from the linked table. Select a record to link it. Once you do, the cell populates with the record name and the link is automatically mirrored in the other table. It's a bidirectional relationship. After you've linked your records, you can click any linked record in the field to open its expanded view and see all its details without leaving your current table. If you want to surface information from linked records directly in your table, add a lookup field. It'll dynamically display values from the linked records, and any updates to the original field will automatically show up in the lookup. And that's how to link fields in Airtable. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.